Hey everyone, welcome back to JB Pondscapes. Today we're going to be doing some routine maintenance, a little bit of cleaning, and cleaning a filter out. So for now I have all of the water shut off, or all the pumps shut off. I'm going to look forward to getting this stuff cleaned out. Definitely have a bit of weeds taken over back here. We've had quite the storm also, a couple storms, so there might be a lot of leaves and stuff in there. My fish are a goldfish breed called Shubunkins. They're supposed to be hardier for the winter months here in Michigan. And the middle of the pond is about 6 feet. So we're below the frost level of 48 inches in my area. All the plants should like this stuff. These plants have a serious root base or root mass to them. Way deeper than I thought they would be. They're definitely not looking as pretty as they did. I think it might just be that time of year. Water temperature seems to be pretty warm too. So this thing sits right on the top of a shelf. So this is all the deeper it goes. But it's a nice unit because it pops apart. And then this is the reusable filter element that grabs all the sediment stuff. And then inside there's like a series of little boxes of little pebble rocks. I'm sure they're called something, but I usually just rinse all this out right here in the grass. I'm sure the grass could use some nutrients and water and whatnot this time of year. So the water starts running out pretty clear. This has been a pretty good unit so far. I bought it for I think like 70 bucks on Amazon. And I had a problem with the smaller sediment, like a super cloudy pond. When I first started out, I didn't have many plants, but this thing really came in handy. Really made the difference. It had a couple different tips too to make it to where it showers, like fountains out. But I thought it was kind of overkill for the size and the area of the pond that I'm in. So I like that little mushroom thing. It does what it needs to do and doesn't make a huge impact on the pond. My fish are like little dogs. They like to be right next to me and see what's going on. So I try to be careful when I set this down. I'm sure I won't crush any of them, but I don't want to find out the hard way. So I'm just guessing. Guessed wrong. This way. There it is. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think I'm going to find a lot of leaves and stuff in here too before I get turned completely back on. Now I'll see what the main pump looks like. Usually just drag it up by pulling on the hose, because I know I put a hose clamp on it, so. Yeah, my filter bag's pretty gross. A lot of it made it to the pump. Ugh. Filter bag's pretty plugged up, so I'm going to rinse that out quick. I haven't really ever like skimmed the bottom of the pond, so I don't really know what that looks like, especially now. It's kind of dirty compared to what it was, I guess, until a couple hours maybe of running with that filter on. Yeah, these fish just love being right next to me the whole time. It's pretty neat. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get any like leaves and sticks out. I'm sure there are some hiding around, and then we'll turn the whole pond back on. That's Kobe Jack. Someday I'll introduce you all the fish. Kobe Jack likes to hang out though. Yeah, this year I redid the deck and added these storage boxes. We don't put too many things in here just because it's not super dry or anything, but stuff to work out in the yard. Some pillows, that stays pretty dry because of the overhang from the garage, but added this is a Wi-Fi plug, so that runs the main pump and the two waterfalls. I can hear the pump already is doing much better. And then the little mushroom thing is on the other plug that I just plug in. Oh yeah. That waterfall's way better. Even this one is. It's doing much better. Yeah, I should have cleaned that out a long time ago. Added these rocks in here just to try to break up the, straight across, but I might do something different with this waterfall. These are all rocks from Kentucky that I got. I really enjoy Kentucky in the mountains, so I wanted to bring a little bit of that to my backyard. So guys, that's about it. Regular routine pond maintenance. Did this in probably about a half an hour, not too bad. So obviously it looks a little bit shorter for you, but yeah, this is my Zen happy place. So again, I'm Justin with JB Pondscapes. Thanks everyone so much for watching. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. Helps me out a lot. Definitely helps drive this little project that I'm doing here. So I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.